Welcome. In 60 seconds, we'll create a professional seamless pattern with Gemini AI. Follow on-screen captions for key settings. Start a new canvas, select a scribble style, and enable tile or repeat mode. Generate a base tile from your prompt, then run Make Seamless to blend edges. Refine the color palette using the color picker and adjust pattern scale with the scale slider. Preview the repeated pattern across a large mock surface. Tweak spacing until balanced. Save the pattern as high-resolution PNG and SVG for flexible use across products. Open a product mockup template or import your own photo directly into Gemini AI. Apply the seamless pattern to the garment, set scale, and align the pattern to seams. Switch to material preview. Tweak color blending and shadow strength for realism. Compare before and after with a split screen to validate your design choices quickly. Export final mockup images and production-ready assets with transparent backgrounds and layered files. That's the full workflow. Try it now in Gemini AI and download your pattern and mockups. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.